living like I hate myself. Others looking at others like it's the cards that they dealt. Trying to get better at all this self-love and self-help, hoping that what I'm doing's enough to keep up with my health. Underpaid, underrated, and completely overwhelmed. Acting all out of pocket, but I still felt what I felt. One minute you love me, the next you hate me, so what else? I got things to do out here, so put that beef on a shelf. I've had to learn to say no and say yes with intention. I ask for what I'm worth, and these rappers get defensive. Say they got my back, but forget to give a mention. All good, cause I've been plotting in the fifth dimension. Rooted in the belief that with karma there comes a lesson, but also rooted I will lose it if you keep on testing. I've been having visions, I don't need a confession. I'm still breathing and still moving, guess that means I'm blessed then. All this time I've known, even with my eyes closed, I can hold my own. I got it. All this time I've known, even with my eyes closed, I can hold my own. I got it. Sometimes I'm numb until I bleed, gotten way too friendly with the monster that I feed. Nights on end, losing sleep, but I'm just trying to eat. There's a graceful sense of patience you forget a woman needs. Bleeding every month so we continue to breed. It's painful and exhausting, but embrace the release. Working on avoiding the fight, flight, or freeze. Slow it down, take a breath, it's time to take heed. I'm sick of feeling like I'm met with nothing but invalidation. I try to be nice, but they play with every bit of patience. I've been paying dues and I'm just so sick of waiting. Try to trick yourself, but you know there's no replacement. The love I know we got my mind racing. Sometimes I hate it in a pain and think it's time we face it. This moment, it's the moment, I'm here to make it. Here it is, I don't think I'll ever shake it. Nah.